Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am your principal on duty. This is our summer edition of what principals really do when school is out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. So today, I have to take my car for maintenance. Come along with me so you can see how we take care of some of the businesses that we don't normally do when school is in session. I'm heading to the Acura dealership. I chose this route because it reminds me so much of traveling back home in Jamaica. Just driving along the road, enjoying the lush green vegetation. And, it's a nice ride on a Saturday morning.
Turn right, then you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
By the way, this was a walk-in. I did not set up an appointment, and I usually enjoy coming in because, of course, while I wait, I can enjoy some refreshment, a nice hot beverage. This morning I'm choosing some mocha coffee and just wait patiently. See what my selection will be. Cafe mocha. Let's try that one. Here's a little fun fact. I like driving Acuras. This car that I currently have, not this red one I'm showing you right now, but my MDX is actually my fourth Acura. Here it is. It was also ready. Within 45 minutes, I was ready. My air filter was changed, oil change, and tire rotation took place within no time. I was out of there and back on the road.